Mae Airbus yn wynebu triphwynt arall o gosb am dorri'r rheola i lyddio am yr eildro. Fydd yn ei rhoi nhw ar -5 a gall diwedd y tymor ddim dod digon buan i fechgyn brychdyn. Roedden nhw ar ei hôl hi wedi hanner awr drwy gôl Tom Davies. Cyn i Ben Amon ddyblu'r fantais i Pontypridd cyn yr egwyl. Ac fe gafodd Amon i ail yn yr ail hanner i 12fed gôl y tymor yma i 8fed yn erbyn Airbus. A Fonty yn mynd o nerth i nerth ac yn dal heb golli ers y toriad yn y tymor.
Listen, I think we expected that. It's not a given to come to Airbus and to win, and it was a different pressure on us today. But give credit to Airbus, I thought they played really well at times today, Airbus did. They still had that sort of fighting desire, but listen, we've still come here, we've won 3-0, it's not a clean sheet, and the run continues.
You could say defensively, the 2 errors, third goal was right at the end, 91st minute or something, and on chances I think we created more, but you can't give sloppy goals away in this league.
Yeah, obviously we're doing well, but just take it game by game, Obviously we've got a big one next week now against Airbus, so yeah, just take game by game.
Are you talking about anything further than game by game, or is that just how it has to be?
No, yeah, game by game, 3 points every week if we're away. Depends on where we're at. Maybe look at the performance, but we don't think about anything other than the next game.